G'day Rob, Lukas here from Phillis Automotive. Just a quick walk around of the 2014 Falcon XR6 that we've been discussing. So the word immaculate's been thrown around quite a bit with this one, and it wouldn't be an understatement to say that this car really is in showroom quality. So if you've got any questions, please give me a call. But I thought I'd send you this quick walk around just so that you can see the true quality and condition of the car, and I will jump inside the car in a moment for you as well, so that you can see the case and the condition of the interior. You got the front seats there, so this car does feature the full black on black true interior and full leather as well. And what I mean by black on black is obviously it is a black leather interior, but once you're in the car, you'll notice that it's also got the black carbon accents and the door cards and dash. And obviously this one here is the 6-speed manual, so that really nice tight gearbox there. Everything for your entertainment works perfectly as you'd expect. You've got your home screen up currently. If you scroll through, you've got your navigation. I'll accept that one and have a look around our local area. If I pop the car into reverse, you've also got your reversing camera fitted, which isn't a standard feature. You've also got premium sound and a 6-speed manual XR6 that's done 52,000 Ks. Truly stunning example. And I'm probably starting to sound a little bit biased here, but it really is like I have been describing it, which was immaculate. All the original documentation from the previous owner came with the car as well, so a little too far for my arms to reach, but mate, if you were looking for an XR6, this would be the one to go for. Once again, mate, if you've got any questions, please give me a call, 0478 016 180. We'll get you in to have a look at and test drive this car as soon as possible. Thanks, mate. We'll speak soon.